I am faculty teacher for commerce and my subject is organization of commerce and management. Challenges like we need to understand first of all how to take this online lecture to the students. Earlier we were used to just going into the class and teaching the particular topic by drawing the diagram on the board and everything. But online, how it can be taken to students in a much better way. Since students are at a distance, online we are connected, so collecting the material, showing them, preparing the PPTs, it was a really tough time for us. So later on, after a lot of searching, we prepared, but it is very time consuming. It was a task like that. First of all, we realized that much of our task was reduced. The pains which we took to prepare the PPT, search for the videos, it was reduced by a lot since Home Revise provides audio-visual content for each and every subtopics also. For example, if I want to teach a particular chapter, in that there are various subtopics. So subtopic wise, each chapter has a specific video. One more thing is that OC is complete theoretical subject. We don't get easily all those images, videos available. So Home Revise has taken that pains and they have prepared such videos in a better way that that theoretical content can be put up in an images because it has a great impact on child. It stays longer. Retention power of that content is more for a student. Once I show the videos to children and after that I explain the content, so things become very easy and clear to students. So this was the thing, it helped a lot to me. Simple example we can take, advertisements we get on televisions, right? Automatically when a person or a child continuously observes that advertisement, it creates an impact. Right? So in a similar way, it impacts the child when a content is audio-visually imprinted. Again and again, if teacher goes through that, it imprints on his brain and that memorization is not that much required because he knows that point was actually explained in this manner. So it's excellent way of using the e-learning thing for education purpose. Now I feel that after this pandemic, students as well as teachers will find it very, very useful that how online teaching can be brought into the classroom very well. So Home Revise is the best option I can suggest for both teachers also as well as for students because it makes the class lively. Why Home Revise? If a child who is in current 12th standard science as well as commerce, whoever it may be, if the child is even not able to join any kind of classes, teachers cannot be available 24/7, right? But he wants to understand that concept. So easily he can simply go to Home Revise, he can understand that subtopics by sitting at home. Okay, as per his convenience, he can have access to it and just get the information. Education is not just about learning. It is a way to train one's mind to think and to make that person capable of expressing their thoughts. And this work is rightly done by Home Revise. So go for it.